guys, and welcome back to another video. So yes, I wanted to do an update on my skincare routine. Yeah, if you guys want to see, right now this is just a basic look. It's just eyebrows and lashes. That's it. And I got on my lip therapy. That's it. So yeah, hope you guys will enjoy this video. This is just all about skin, just it being fresh, it being clean, nothing's on it, feeling good, looking natural, all of that. My hair, I washed my hair today, and yeah. I just put a little bit of my Garnier Fructis in it, which I always do. Y'all already know the routine, nothing more, nothing less. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little video and stay tuned. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing a Nano facial steamer. Okay. So this is the Nano facial steamer. The brand is Kinga, K-I-N-G-A, or Kingo. Not sure if that's an A or an O. But anyway, this was a Christmas gift, and I am so excited about it because I have been wanting a facial steamer for a really, really long time. And I'm just so ready to try it out. I am really, really big in skincare. Even though I don't really have a whole lot of blemishes, I still have, I have flaws, I have blemishes that I want to continue to work on. So I haven't put anything on my face as of yet. I was reading the instructions, the manual, and it says you are to steam your face first and then do your facial routine, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna go ahead and steam, and then I'm going to do my facial. You guys, when you get this, okay, this is how it looks out of the box. And then back here is a little spout. So this is a little spout, and you put your water in here, and you have a fill line that you put your water in, and then you put it in here, okay, and that gets the water. So you only want to steam for about 10 minutes. You don't want to go over 10 minutes according to the manual. And then you definitely, guys, when you get your steamer, this is the power button, okay? When you guys get your steamer, please read the manual because it talks about people that have sensitive skin, if you have any type of dermatitis in your skin, eczema on your skin, different type of. It's really important to read the manual because you don't want to burn your skin. You don't want to overly dry out your skin. And if you have sensitive skin, you want to stay away from it altogether. And it also says, which something that I didn't even know, if you are on your menstrual, you should not steam. Or if you're pregnant, you should not steam. So yeah, because it causes more irritation to your skin when you're on, it's like a hormonal imbalance, so to speak. If you're on your cycle or you are pregnant and you're doing a steamer for your face. So it just says not to do it. So I'm not sure how true that is. But yeah, that's what the manual says. So let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Put my headband on, if you guys can see, because I just realized that my hair was in the way. You don't want anything in your face, okay? And you want to be up high to where it's hitting your face. So I was reading the manual a little bit longer, a little bit more to kind of find out because it did not give me the full 8 to 10 minutes. And it's because of, I guess it says the type of water that you use sometimes can go faster, sometimes can dissolve slower. But it says that you should only do your face, do your steamer for 8 to 10 minutes. So I don't know if I even got 8 minutes. And then it says I feel like I'm gonna have to do it 2 times, maybe even 3 times, to really get the effect that I'm looking for. And so it says you need to wait at least 2 minutes before adding more water, and then go ahead and repeat the process. Now, do not use regular water, according to the manual. You need to use distilled water or purified water. And that's what I'm using today. I'm using purified water. If you use tap water, it can potentially damage your machine. You do not want to damage your machine, okay? Because tap water has so many different type of minerals in there, it will clog up your machine, because you really can't get in this machine to clean it thoroughly the way you will want to clean it. So be extra careful and take care of your stuff, guys. Just take care of stuff, especially if you want it to last, longer. You definitely want to go ahead and take care of it. Okay, so I am going to actually do it a second time. Just trying to waste about 2 minutes, 2-3 minutes. I'm going to do it a second time, and after that, I'm going to go ahead and start on my facial routine. Okay, you guys, so I realized the first time that I did it, it was the first initial time that I used the steamer. And so it didn't go the whole 8 to 10 minutes. The second time that I'm putting the water in the steamer, it is going like, it's been a good 8 minutes already. And it feels so much better. So I think the initial round had to go and get water in it, I assume. But this second time it's like really, really, really going, and it feels amazing. Like, you guys, if you don't have a steamer, get y'all one, okay? It feels so relaxing, so calming. It's just, if you've never had a facial before, yeah. And I can hear that it's actually getting ready to slow down in a little bit. I can hear. I'm sure you guys probably can hear it too. That felt great, okay? You guys, please invest in one of these. It doesn't have to be the exact one, but when I tell you my skin feels like refreshed and rejuvenated, I promise you, no lie. I'm not getting paid. They are not sponsoring this. This is my truth. Now for the fun part. Put on my face. I'm not gonna put anything else on my face as far as skincare. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little skincare routine. I had a blast with that facial steamer. Like, I think you can only, well, they recommend that you use your facial maybe twice a week. I don't know, I might do it like 3 or 4 times. It depends. Like, this steamer is everything. If y'all don't have a steamer, please get you one. You will not regret it. Even if you don't have skin issues. Like, even if your skin is clear, you don't have no breakouts, no none of that, you got pretty good, pretty decent skin, it's still a good thing to, you know, put some steam in your face and give yourself a facial, just so you can glow more, or so you can just, you know, strengthen your skin and strengthen your pores, and pamper yourself, you know, cleanse the deeper layers of your skin. You know, like, you don't necessarily need to use this if you have skin issues, but for me, that's basically why I'm using it. I know I have like some breakouts. I have combination skin. Some places my skin is oily, some places my skin is dry, you know, so yeah, I have skin, you know, flaws. And so that's basically why I love the facial, because it kind of tries to even everything out, you know, in those areas that your skin is dry. It brings out the oils and stuff like that. And where it's oily, it kind of like evens it out. But hey, don't take my word for it. But yeah, guys, I enjoyed it. I will use it as much as I possibly can. I don't want to irritate my body, you know, my face. I don't want to irritate my face, so I'm not going to go overboard with it. But yeah, I enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I will link below where I purchased this. Well, actually it was a gift, so I will try to find it and link it for y'all below. Okay, so until next time, guys, stay safe, live, laugh, and love. Bye.